21st Rubaru Mr. India, one of the most prestigious events of our country. I'm the jury here today and I feel absolutely honored to be a part of this. Pankaj ji and Manav have worked really hard to bring it to this level. और यहाँ जो selection होगा जिस भी लड़के का, he's going to represent our country internationally. Someone who is dynamic, somebody who has aura, अपने देश को आगे बढ़ाने का, देश का नाम ले जाने का, and that's what we are looking for.
So what qualities do you look for in a
Of course, someone who has great fashion sense, who understands international global market, at the same time, who's very, very Indian at heart, because finally when we have to represent our country, it has to be somebody who is deeply Indian rooted. And of course, great looks and body is one of the prerequisites for this pageant, but I think most important is अपने देश के संस्कृति के बारे में, सभ्यता के बारे में जानना और उसको आगे बढ़ाना. That is what is important. Thank you.
So what's next in your wiki if you want to share something?
Well, I have a musical coming end of this month, on 28th of June. It is called Chitrangada, and it is within Rani Mukherjee Enterprise, and we are looking forward. रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर की कहानी है और बहुत सुंदर गाना है. सारे 1.5 घंटे का डांस ड्रामा है हमारे देश के मोस्ट फेमस पोएट रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर की ये एक कविता है, एक काव्य है, and I hope you all will enjoy it. Thank you.
My name is Lieutenant Dr. Rita Gangwani and I am the grooming partner for Rubaru Mr. India 2025. I have been with Rubaru for the last 10 years and a lot of Mr. Indias have passed through my hand. I have trained these boys in various aspects of personality transformation and I look forward to see who wins, and whoever wins, I will be the one preparing them for the international competition. So let's see who makes it today. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So basically I'm Amit and I'm the official photographer for Rubaru Mr. India 2025 और जो भी contestants के pictures click किए गए हैं अलग rounds में, अलग costumes में, वो मैंने खींचे हैं और मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया ये करके. मेरा 6th year है Rubaru के साथ और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि इस बार ये इतने बड़े स्केल पे हो रहा है और फाइनली मेल पैजेंट्री को एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म मिल रहा है. तो आई थिंक इट्स समथिंग दैट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट.
Thank you.
थैंक यू.
Well, obviously I'm very proud and very grateful to be a part of this event. पंकज सर और पूरा जो मिस्टर इंडिया का टीम है बहुत मेहनत लगाए थे ये पूरा सेटअप करने के लिए, ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. वेरी हैप्पी टू सी हाउ फार मिस्टर इंडिया हैज़ कम एंड the impact that they're making in the male pageant industry in India is very strong. और बस ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि I hope that they go forward a lot in the next few years to come to inspire more male models to come and showcase themselves using this platform. And I wish all the best to Pankaj sir, the Rubaru Mr. India team, and everyone who's part of this organization. Very humble, very grateful to be here. Thank you all.
So according to you, what qualities should a winner have?
Well, I think essentially being truthful and honest to yourself is a very important quality if you're getting into pageantry. A lot of us tend to create a facade and put up a fake front, but you can always see through that, obviously. And then we have perseverance, hard-working mentality to get through and push through any obstacles that you have in your pageant journey. Very important. Thank you.
Hi everyone, as you know I am Gurpreet Kaur Chadha. I am an actor, producer and a politician, and today I am here at Rubaru Mr. India 2025 championship. I am super excited because everybody at backstage, they are just making a lot of noise and super thrilled, and let's see क्या होता है. मेरा बहुत ही ज़्यादा मैं मुबारकबाद देना चाहूँगी अपनी तरफ से पूरी टीम को, the whole crew of Rubaru Mr. India and the people are behind it. I just met my very dear friend Rita ji. Rita ji is a very big coach in India, and also Mr. Pankaj, Mr. Manav, everybody who is associated with this pageant. And let's see क्या होता है. पीछे तो बहुत जोरों शोरों से धूम मची हुई है, and I'm super excited to see the winner and meet the winner. And I personally know the previous winner, so I am sure that they're gonna rock. Thank you.
Swimwear designer and partner for Rubaru Mr. India, and I'm really excited to be a at the finale and to watch the amazing contestants and to support them. And I wish them all the best.
इट्स ऑल हार्ड वर्क और मुझे लगता है टीम हार्ड वर्क है मेरे अलावा, बिकॉज अगर टीम हार्ड वर्क नहीं होता तो ये पॉसिबल नहीं होता. सो इट्स ऑल टीम वर्क एंड आई फील हैप्पी कि मेंस को एक पेजेंट मिल रहा है, एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिल रहा है एंड दे गो एंड रिप्रेजेंट कंट्री. सो इट्स मोस्ट प्राउडेबल मोमेंट आई वुड से. जनवरी में ऑडिशन चालू हुए थे, 20,000 एप्लीकेशंस आए थे जिनमें से 30 टॉप सिलेक्ट हुए थे. फिर उनमें से 26 गोवा गए थे. गोवा में उनकी चार दिन का ट्रेनिंग एक्टिविटीज़ हुआ था. उसमें से मुंबई टॉप 16 आए. ये प्रोसीजर था. फिर उसमें भी ट्रेनिंग होके आज टॉप 5 विनर्स अनाउंस होंगे. पारुल, मेंटालिटी चेंज करने में टाइम लगता है. सबको इजी सक्सेस चाहिए, तो डेफिनेटली इसमें मेहनत हमारी भी बहुत लगती है. उनको ग्रूम करना पड़ता है, उनको बताना पड़ता है प्लेटफॉर्म के लिए. सो डेफिनेटली इट टेक्स लॉट ऑफ टाइम एंड एफर्ट्स. This year we are launching a web series for Rubaru Mr. India, 8 episode, and Divya Agarwal is the host of the whole web series. तो जल्द ही आपको उसके बारे में डिटेल्स आ जाएंगी. So definitely. We have been tied up with 55 countries and biggest in the world. Maximum international title, maximum winners and maximum people who are representing India. आज भी इनफैक्ट फिलीपींस में एक रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. सो आई फील प्राउड दैट मेंस आर मेकिंग बिग नॉइज ऑन इंटरनेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म. थैंक यू. थैंक यू. थैंक यू. थैंक यू. थैंक यू.
Thank you.
I always look for the inside beauty. So talent for me is the key of today's selection. And of course, chivalry and well-dressing goes hand in hand. Everyone is into wellness. अगर जो नहीं भी है उनको भी मैं बोलूँगी wellness पे आओ. So I am into wellness. I'm a wellness entrepreneur and I create health supplements which is the need of the hour because nutrition पूरा रखना है and nutrition से ही आपको proper health and wealth मिलेगी. Thank you. Okay, so a lot of new products are coming up. A lot of exciting products are coming up. Vegan protein, vegetarian protein is a new launch. Collagen is one of the flavored collagen is something which is very exciting and people are loving it. So yeah, we're gonna work continuously in formulations and bring out the best for everyone out there.
I think that we've got a spectacular group of 16 contestants who made it to the top 16 and each of them have put in a lot of hard work and it's showing they've worked well. The entire team of Rubaru Mr. India has groomed them and they have brought them to a level of confidence, of charisma, of putting themselves up there in front of everyone, and I think each of them have put their best foot forward today and I'm so proud of each of them.
It's again surprise for everyone. So I think for that you need to wait for a few more minutes. So let's see. The best one will win, I'm sure about it.
My favorite is Pankaj because he is the person who's put in the maximum amount of work. And as far as the guys go, I think each of them have worked hard. So yeah, the best guy is going to definitely win. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks.
आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. मैं तो इसलिए आई हूँ कि मुझे देखना है कि मैं मतलब जो मिस्टर इंडिया कॉन्टेस्ट हो रहा है लड़कों के लिए हो रहा है, तो मैंने सोचा मैं भी जाकर देखूँ कि कितना मतलब कौन कौन है. इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. ओके. मिलिंद सुमन मेरे बहुत फेवरेट है और मुझे देखना है कि उनकी तरह कौन हो सकता है आगे चलकर, कौन सुपर मॉडल बन सकता है, कौन ऐसा मिस्टर इंडिया बन सकता है. सो मैं इसलिए एक्साइटेड हूँ. आई वांट टू सी. सिंगल ले ले.
Yeah. I think 21 years of such a contribution to the Mr. India. It's a very big achievement, and being the only male, it's so good because हम हमेशा fashion shows जाते हैं. We see so many pageants having male, female, or only female, and females का जो fashion shows और pageants होते हैं, they are so popular. So keeping the men alive, that's really great. So wishing Rubaru very happy 21 years. Yeah, and so happy to be a part of this today.
I'm great. So I'm here for the grand finale of 21st Rubaru Mr. India. I'm really looking forward to watch the show, meet the incredible team that has put this together, the amazing pool of talent, and the hot, young, sexy, intelligent men. Actually, I'm really excited to meet Mr. India tonight.
आने का मोटिवेट करने का आप सबके सामने रूबरू बनेगा. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट प्लेटफॉर्म. मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ और उम्मीद करता हूँ कि
ये जो कॉन्टेस्ट होता है ये इजी नहीं होता सबके लिए, बिकॉज आपको अपना बेस्ट दिखाना होता है. हर एक इंडिविजुअल के साथ आप compete करते हो. तो मैं यही कहूँगा कि विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट ऑल द कंटेस्टेंट्स, और मीडिया को थैंक यू कि आप सब आए, आप इतना प्यार दिया. और आई थिंक शो भी बहुत अच्छा है और बहुत बड़ा होने वाला है. आई थिंक लास्ट ईयर भी था, लास्ट ईयर मैं अटेंड नहीं कर पाया था, बट इस साल मैंने कहा मैं मिस नहीं करना चाहूँगा. बट सो डेफिनेटली अब कहते हैं ना श्री जगन्नाथ जी का जब आशीर्वाद हो सर पे तो सब होता अच्छा कुछ.
मिस्टर रूबरू ऑफ कोर्स मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. ऐसे कॉन्टेस्ट होना चाहिए एंड आई थिंक कि कंटेस्टेंट को देखना चाहूँगी कौन जीत रहा है, क्योंकि अंदर ऑलरेडी चल रहा है अभी फाइनल राउंड. सो आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड कौन है इस साल का मिस्टर रूबरू इंडिया. सो आई डेफिनेटली वांट टू. थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Actually, more than me, my parents, Pankaj sir, Manav sir, and my fellow contestants, everybody who supported me and who believed in me, they all are more proud than me. And this is a really exciting and unfathomable moment for me. I still can't believe I am the winner. I manifested this, and now this is true, so I am really, really happy.
Oh yes, from the day one. Because he was best in all activities. Apart from that, his face, he won many subtitles from Best Photogenic to Face of the Year and Fitness as well. So from day one, and I think he's the first Mr. International title with the less height. So we want to make a statement that height doesn't matter if there is a talent.
Same what Pankaj just said, that from day one we were like, because the hard work we can see it out when we choose it from the audition level. So definitely, and again the hard work you can see it out from last 2 months. He's like working very hard, and today the result you can see it out. Say.
This is a really special moment for me. From that side to this side, the journey has been really tough, but it has been really exciting and really fun. And thank you for all the love and support that everybody who has believed in me, everybody who has supported me, everybody who cared for me, and this is for all the people who have helped me in my journey. I still can't thank each one of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello, good evening everyone. How you all doing? Super excited to announce that I'm finally a winner of Mr. India, and been working hard for this for past 5 months now, and really excited to represent India on Manhunt International, where once our legends like John Abraham, Dino Moria once went. So I'm super excited and proud to represent our country. Thank you so much for coming here.
My name is Rakesh Bhosekar, and I am Mr. India Rubaru 2025 Mr. Global, and I'll be representing India coming soon. And I would like to thank Pankaj Kharbanda sir, Manav Ranka, Vishal Tawani, and Parimal Mehta, Amit Khanna, and many others. Thank you for this opportunity. I love you all, and I love my India. Rubaru Mr. India 2025.
Squeeze that in, guys.
One more.
Congratulations to everyone, because this pageant, when you do it, तो जीतना हारना first second it's okay, but you guys reached here. That is the biggest thing, and I hope I pray all the best for your future and keep looking hot. Thank you.
Thank you.
हाँ? मैं भी विनर हूँ ना, हाँ तो पता, इसलिए तो बोल रही हूँ कि जो स्टेज पे हालत होती है मुझे मालूम है क्या होती है. You know, it's not easy. So you reached here. That's the biggest thing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Rubaru 21st, Parimal, Amit, and everyone on the team, all the boys, all dapper looking men over here. And congratulations for such a great feat. It's been a wonderful it's been a wonderful experience to be here, because I come from the background of fashion, and then whenever I come for a fashion show, I know all the adrenaline that is there, all the anxiety that is there, and well, the world is your oyster now. Congratulations, God bless you all. Congratulations.
I'm very happy as Blank Canvas Media. It is my recurring year to be a part of not only training the talents but also show directing. So it's fun. It's always very intrigued. There are beautiful talents who come all across India, and we are very happy to make sure that we groom them, send them internationally also. Thank you.
तो बहुत स्वागत है. क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? It's a very unique kind of Mr. India championship. It's about the whole journey, how it started.
But Rubaru, I'm associated with Rubaru from last 5 to 6 years. I think it started by Pankaj Kharbanda and Manav, and I wish them all the best. बहुत ही भिन्न स्टेट से यहाँ पे लड़के आते हैं और अपना यहाँ पे हमको अपना टैलेंट दिखाते हैं और हमारी कंट्री को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं इंटरनेशनल कॉन्टेस्ट में. बहुत ही अच्छा ये इन्होंने ऑर्गेनाइज किया है मिस्टर इंडिया, बिकॉज देयर इज सो मच ऑफ टैलेंट इन आवर कंट्री, फ्रॉम नॉर्थ ईस्ट, फ्रॉम साउथ टू जम्मू कश्मीर टू द राजस्थान, हर प्रांत के यहाँ पे लड़के आए हैं और आज मैं चाहूँगा बेस्ट विनर्स जीते। मैं उन सबको ऑल द बेस्ट करना चाहूँगा एंड आई विश मे द बेस्ट विनर विन टुनाइट। Well, I am the jury. I'm judging. Yes, I'm judging the show today, and it's a very tough job for all of us because everybody is winner in their own way. And I think जैसे कहते हैं ना कि may the best winner win, तो मैं आशा करता हूँ बेस्ट जो लड़का होगा वो हमारी कंट्री को रिप्रेजेंट करेगा इंटरनेशनल कॉन्टेस्ट में।
So as you said कि बहुत रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी वाला काम है इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करना, तो क्या क्वालिटीज आप देख रहे हैं अपने विनर में?
Well, confidence enough, and of course you have to be very real, be yourself, and be confident, and you should know the culture of our country. When you represent your flag into the international front, you should know that it's a huge responsibility on your head. So you have to make us proud. Thank you. Jai Shri.
Namaste ji. Namaste ji. Namaste ji. Thank you for having me.
So we heard you have a performance.
Yes.
Tell us about that.
Yeah, I'm so very excited. Are you so excited? Yeah, thank you so much.
So are you gonna sing some Hindi songs or what?
Yeah, today Hindi song also, my song also.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, we are excited.
Yeah. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah. See you soon.
See you.
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. Thank you so much.
우와, 되게 많다. I'm from Chennai. I'm the official show director for Ruburu Mr. India. This is my 5th year with Pankaj. My name is Karun Raman, and I'm very happy to be in Bombay after so many years. Vanda Press Kanarkum Marakum Romabu Nandri. Thanks for supporting Ruburu and the entire organization. Thank you so much.
It's about this whole event, the 50 years change.
Yeah.
What's happening?
This is my 5th year with Ruburu. I do a lot of international pageants all over the world. I'm a show director and a fashion choreographer. I represent the entire LGBTQ trans community for South of India, and I'm very proud to say that I'm one of the very few people from South who's openly supporting my community and the trans community. We call it Tirunangai in Tamil and Koti in here, I don't know whatever language you call it in. So yeah, it's very hot outside. And
What's the input in this?
I'm the fashion choreographer and the show director. So I directed the entire show today, and I've been doing it for 5 years for Ruburu and for a lot of other organizations all over the world. So it's nice for a South Indian boy to be here in Bombay and do this. Thank you so much. Thank you.
मैम just about कल आप वगैरह सेशंस करें कि आज जो पूरा इवेंट हो रहा है किस तरह के जजेस पैनल है उस बारे में पूरे इवेंट के बारे में
ग्रूमिंग तो मैंने नहीं की इनकी बट येस बीइंग अ जूरी इट्स अ ग्रेट ऑनर टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ समथिंग लाइक दिस बिकॉज पैजेंट्स मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेशल है. मैं खुद कितने सारे पैजेंट्स का हिस्सा रह चुकी हूँ, जीत चुकी हूँ. सो आई नो द ज़ील, आई नो व्हाट दे आर थिंकिंग राइट नाउ. तो यू नो टू जज सच एन इवेंट वुड बी अ नाइस थिंग टू डू. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम हियर. सी क्राइटेरिया मोस्टली जो मैं देखती हूँ, मेल हो या फीमेल हो डजंट मैटर, बट जो भी क्राइटेरिया मैं देखती हूँ वो है कॉन्फिडेंस. दैट्स द फर्स्ट थिंग आई नोटिस अबाउट अ पर्सन, हाउ कॉन्फिडेंट दैट पर्सन इज़. एंड आई थिंक उसके बेस पे मेरे ज़्यादा यू नो पॉइंट्स उस पर होंगे. इफ़ दे आर कॉन्फिडेंट इनफ दे कैन विन द शो.
अलग है बाकी इवेंट्स से?
ये अलग है क्योंकि इंडिया में होता ही नहीं है मेल पैजेंट, एंड अब नहीं होता है, पहले काफ़ी होते थे. तो आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ ग्रेट इनिशिएटिव फॉर ऑल द मेन आउट देयर कि उनको यहाँ पे आके अपने आप को रिप्रेजेंट करने का मौका मिलेगा. सो आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट डील फॉर अस एंड ऑल्सो टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस इवेंट. या थैंक यू.